The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome reimagines the potential of luxury and power in the automotive industry by combining the legendary tradition of hypercar innovation with the enormous presence of a futuristic battleship. A battleship is a futuristic battleship. This supersized Land Cruiser is nearly as long as a city bus and includes an armored aerodynamic body that is painted in matte black and metallic gray. It is a tribute to both the stealth technology and the trademark elegance that Bugatti is known for. One may say that its length is roughly comparable to that of a city bus. It is characterized by its geometric lines, powerful LED matrix headlights, and a reinforced central grille that features the horseshoe shape that is characteristic of Bugatti automobiles. When viewed from the front, the design is reminiscent of a command bridge that would be situated aboard a warship. In order to provide support for its huge chassis, it is adorned with rows of precision-engineered wheels, which number more than a dozen in all. Each wheel is embellished with carbon fiber highlights and Bugatti center caps, and the wheels themselves are fully detailed with these components all over the wheel. Equally striking is the rear view, which reveals exhaust ports that are suggestive of turbines, LED taillights that are embedded inside the vehicle, and a heavy-duty boarding ramp that retracts into the chassis without any obvious gaps. All of these aspects contribute to the overall impression that is created. The entire profile is suggestive of a land-based destroyer, despite the fact that it is long, low, and commanding. On the other hand, it is distinguished by the exquisite craftsmanship and delicate shapes that are unique to Bugatti manufacturers' products. The recreational vehicle is positioned on a marble platform inside of a stunning showroom that is situated within a five-star hotel. The lighting in the showroom is a combination of architectural lights and lighting. There are reflections from its polished surfaces that are mirrored off of its tall glass walls and golden chandeliers. It is elevated to the level of a statement of power, innovation, and extreme luxury, thanks to the presence of velvet ropes and digital displays that surround it like an art installation. This elevates it from the status of merely being a vehicle to that of a statement of power, innovation, and extreme luxury.